guys, welcome to Alice's Young World. Today we're going to learn this one. In Chinese Mandarin, it's called 椒盐肉丸. In Beijing dialect, it's called 椒盐肉丸. This Chinese meat dish is super simple and easy to cook at home. And most importantly, it does not require a lot of ingredients. So, if you want to cook something quick at home, but with protein, that's what I recommend. The total cooking time is about 30 minutes. All we need to do is to mix all the ingredients except the pepper salt with the minced meat. Then we make the meatball and put them on the frying pan to fry. Once it's done, we put them on the plate, put the pepper salt on the side. That's it. Shall we start?
We need 350 gram pork mince. Don't be too lean. We need 10 gram leek, like this. We need 20 gram ginger. We need 150 gram egg. 2 gram salt. 7.5 milliliter light soy sauce. We need 3 times half tablespoon cooking wine. 60 milliliter water. Few pepper salt, put in the end. Let's first handling the ginger. We cut off the ginger end first, then use a stainless spoon, like this, to remove the skin, so that it won't cut off your finger while it's efficiently removing the ginger skin, just like this. We maybe need to keep 6 centimeters to 10 centimeters length of the ginger, so that it's about 20 gram. See, like this, and then you cut it off like this, and put it aside with the leek together. Yep, now we're ready. Now let's mix the ginger and the leek. We use a mixer to cut them so that it's more efficiently. Make sure that there's no big chunk pieces left. So if they were, you need to make sure that you use a knife to cut the big chunk into small pieces. Like this. First, we put the pork mince in a big bowl. Then put an egg. Mix the ginger and the leek into the bowl. Then we pour 3 times 1.5 tablespoon cooking wine into the bowl. And 1.5 tablespoon light soy sauce in. Then we use a scale to put 2 gram salt in. Now, let's mix the mince. Now we pour the 60 milliliter water into the mixer with the leftover ginger and leek to become ginger leek water. Just like this. Now, every time we put a little bit of water in and continue stirring the mince so that it will absorb the water fully. Repeat several times until all water in. During the whole process, you need to keep stirring. In the end, it will look like this. Now the mixed mince is ready. Let's fry them. Before frying, we need to prepare some water to make sure our hands are always wet while making meatballs. I'm going to teach you a very healthier way to fry the meatballs. The whole process is without the oil. We put the frying pan on the stove, then we prepare a spoon. Turn on the stove with small medium flame on. Then we use a spoon with one of our wet hand to roll the meatball like this. Then you put on the frying pan to fry. Each meatball is made by two hands working together like this. When majority of the meatballs are in the frying pan for a while, we need to flip them over to cook the other side. Each side should be golden brown color. Now we put the rest of the meatballs in the frying pan and continue frying. If you worry the meatballs are not cooked well, you can either put a lid on for cooking 1 to 2 minutes, or you can choose a few meatballs to cut into half to check if the middle of the part are well done. As long as it's well cooked, then it's fine. Now you see each meatball, both sides are yellow brown color. That means it's done. Now the dish is done, let's clean the plate edge. Keep it tidy. And then we put the pepper salt on the side. Then we put the meatball in it, dig in, and taste it. Yummy! Here's our pepper salt meatballs. That's how simple it is.
Previously, we learned tomato with fried eggs. Today, we learned meatball with pepper salt. Combine these two dishes with rice together, you will get a traditional home-cooked Chinese meal. I hope you would try to cook the meatball at home and enjoy the taste. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me through Instagram or Twitter. Thank you for watching. Ciao!